Andy brought flowers. Oh, thanks, Ross. I'm really more of a candy kind of guy.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I'm more of a tea person.
If you clear things up with Rachel, then Ross never needs to find out.
I hope this clears things up for Ross and anybody else who might be feeling confused or indeed probably racist.
Did you know he was going to ask me?
Are you kidding? I'm like the one who talked him into it.
The salesman talked us into buying the car.
What beautiful, lukewarm sentiment.
Look, I didn't want to rush into anything, and it seemed like she didn't want to either.
We don't want to rush into having a baby.
He will not rush into any decisions.